Now guys, the fourth generation of the premium crossover with an internal factory code J05 was introduced to the world community by the German on June 5, 2018 as part of an online presentation. After another reincarnation, the car through the evolutionary metamorphosis in the exterior and interior. Slightly engaged in size, moved to the last clear model platform armed with high-performance engine and received a wide range of equipment. Outside the fourth BMW X5 attractive attention with the elegant, assertive, rather monumental and thoroughbred outlines with all its appearance of road vehicle inspired AV and respect. Aggressive physiognomy of the crossover is adorned by the praise gaze of the headlight equipment, the fused nostril of the branded radiator grille, and an athletic knockdown bumper with large air intakes, and its sturdy rear floored elegant two-section light of figure trunk lid and a couple of large exhaust pipes. Inside, the fourth generation BMW X5 meets the inhabitant with all attractive, noble and expensive design that instantly captures the family feature of the Bavarian premium brand. A puffy three-spoke multi-steering wheel with pronounced tights in the rear of the carrier grip, a virtual instrument panel with 12-inch screen, a massive central console dipping towards the driver covered with a 12.3-inch media center display, and stylish microclimate and audio unit. The interior of the German is fully consistent with a high status. In addition, the 5-door has wide list of options. 4-zone climate control, panoramic roof, all-around camera, air suspension of all four wheels, night vision systems, and more. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.